Hey guys, just a real update and an explanation of the videos that I've been posting. I was getting a bad misfire on the Chevelle, and at first I thought it was a fuel problem. There was knocking noise. Again, I thought it was fuel, and I tried to do the air-fuel mixture, try to get that correct, and it didn't seem to clear up the problem, so I dug a little further, and I think I found it after checking the spark plug and finding it had soot. Then, when checking the rockers, I turned the engine and noticed that one of the rockers was very loose. So I'm about to go to like a roller rocker and get that cleared up. I'm also going to get it professionally tuned. I'm just waiting in line. I've got some pretty cool updates coming up, so be sure to like, tag, share, subscribe, and most of all, thank you for watching.